Hey there,
Hi,
it's Uptown Swing again.
that's right. And this is level 2.
Level 2, mixing 6s and 8s. We rounded out the month tonight. You all did a great job. We just converted a couple more moves from 6 to 8. And so we'll remind you of what those were, but in the guts of what we talked about, you had to be there.
Yeah, we did this little cuddle
Yeah.
thingy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we went out in 6. And we had you come up with your own 8s on the way out.
You came up with some really cool ones.
I
Do you
thought they
remember
were
all
cool
of them?
too. No, I don't remember all. I remember a couple.
A couple. We'll just show you a couple. Let's do it this way so they can see.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We had the 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we had a real fancy one.
We had that one, but you just didn't hold on at the end, right?
Oh yeah, that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we had there. And then we also did a couple other little
With a side pass.
movements. Yeah. Side pass, we'll do it. Let's do it that way. Yeah? Or send out rather. 2, 4, 5, and 6. And then we made the transition.
Right.
Some people made this move. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah.
Lovely job, everybody.
And then the side pass.
The old catch, yeah. Looks like this. A 6 count side pass, or 6 count side pass with a catch.
The old arm catch.
And that was really in the way, so let's do another 6 count. Let's do it one more time so you can see it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The catch, and send it back out. And that's an 8.
That's what we did.